morning. I'm back with another video, and today is going to be my truck cleaning regimen. I was actually contacted by Shine Armor to use one of their products. I won't say which product it is until I get ready to use it. I will explain everything, all the instructions, what it does, and we're going to see how it works. It's going to be a little bit of a process, and I'll get back to you on that. But right now, I'm gonna go get the car washed, go back, dry it off, let it sit in the garage for a little bit. I'm gonna back it out, and then we're gonna get back to the Shine Armor. Okay, I'm back. It's a little bit light out here. I guess the sun is coming up. Took like 2 weeks for me to even do this video. So Shine Armor did contact me. They sent me this product, the Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray. It came with a nozzle and 2 towels, one for spraying and the other one for wiping off. Some of the features are help defend water spotting, work to protect against bugs, sap, and droppings, I guess, bird, and more depth and clarity on surface, and it's easy to apply. So we're definitely going to use this, and what it says is spray Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray into microfiber towel. Wipe the product onto the paint and allow the surface to be fully covered. Allow the product to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Buff to a high shine with the microfiber towel. Number 2. And allow 4 hours to cure before exposure to the elements. Seems simple. Let's see if I get it right. I never follow instructions. That's what my wife say. Let's get to it.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself.
So now I'm gonna wait 4 hours till they cure. I'm gonna let it sit in the garage and see how it goes. I'll spray down with the water hose to see how slick the water slides off. But even with my hand, I can feel that there's no resistance. It's really, really slick and smooth. But I'll be back in 4 hours. Alright, so I wiped it dry. I've been sitting down here for about the past 10 minutes. And as you see, there's still water on the windshield, but I see no water spots, which is quite amazing. Yes, I will definitely be using this product on the whole vehicle, like I said before, and I will do an update video after probably a month now. Until next time, like and subscribe, comment, peace.